Hello everyone, welcome to Trade the Truth. I'm revealing the best strategies so far for the tomorrow session and revealing the truth behind the charts. So let's discuss about the Bank Nifty future for Friday's session. So we have seen almost like 9 days of consolidation in between like 49,820 to 51,000 levels. Okay, so this is an area zone where we have seen a strong consolidation in between a range of 1,000 points. This is not a random thing. This happens usually before markets going for a big moves ahead. Okay, so in this kind of scenario, first we need to identify whether market is going for breakout or breakdown. So let's reveal the secret strategies behind this trend. So first, we need to discuss where exactly the base formation of the support of the 9 days consolidation lies here. So first, we need to draw the line for the base region. So this area zone is acting as a strong base for the upcoming move. Okay, this is the strong resistance for the upcoming move. We have seen almost like 9 days of consolidation, which acted as triple bottom formation in Bank Nifty around like 49,820 levels. The candles which you are seeing here is 1, 2, 3. In total 9 days, in 2 weeks, almost like 2 weeks of trading sessions, we have seen a triple bottom formation in Bank Nifty, and we have seen a 51,000 as a strong resistance, which the resistance is unable to turn towards the support range for the upcoming trend formation. So in this kind of scenario, we require strong patience because this is not a random thing. This happens when pivotal setup happens in the higher trends in the market. So recently, we have seen a Japanese yen. It troubleshooted the total global economy. That is the main factor which you have seen. That's the reason entire global markets has fallen almost like 15 to 20%. But if we observe the Indian market, we are just 5 to 6% down from the higher levels. And this triple bottom formation goes down further, then next base is acting as a 49,500 levels. Okay, so this is the area zone where the trend decision will happen. So below this 49,820 levels, we may see breakdown in the market. So in case this resistance turns into strong support, 51,000 levels, we can see a breakout for the further trend formation in the market. So to happen for the upcoming moves, it will take another like 2 to 3 trading sessions to get more clarity. Whether market is going for another round of consolidation in between 49,820 and 51,000, or else it is going for the new trend formation for the breakout. So this is the level where I have mentioned is for the breakout. So this is the area zone where the triple bottom formation breakdowns with the volumes. We can see a weakness for the further move in the market towards like 49,000 levels or 49,250 levels for the second base formation. Then the real base formation will happen for the further move. Okay? So in this kind of scenario, lot of patience is required. Mainly it troubleshoot the directional traders, because 90% of the traders in the market are just directional traders. Only 10% of the traders are just trading into the spreads and non-directional market. That's the reason operators always try to target the directional moves. Okay, and if you observe the entire psychology and philosophical things of the moves in the market, we can see a strong 75% of the consolidation and only 25% of the time market moves in the trend formation. So most of the directional traders will get stuck in this 75% of the time and they lose their hard-earned money. And remaining 25% of the time, it is going for the big trends like 1,000 points and 2,000 points in a day or two, which you have seen in the recent days. Okay, so this is what which we are going to see for the upcoming trend also at the same time. And coming to the Nifty. First we need to identify where is the triple bottom support lies. Okay, already we have discussed in the Bank Nifty around like 49,820 levels, but seeing the Nifty scenario, coming to the Nifty here, 24,000 level is acting as a triple bottom support so far. And if you observe the upcoming range, see, we have seen a strong base of around like 24,000 level as a strong base, and resistance is 24,400 levels. Just it was in like 400 and 440 points range. Okay. So even though if you observe the Nifty also, we can see a consolidation of almost like 9 to 10 trading sessions. So we can see a breakdown or breakout near these levels. Okay. So breakdown will happen here around like 24,000 levels. Okay. 24,000 levels is acting as a breakdown region for Nifty. So if you observe the total scenario for the upcoming trend, see 24,400 should break out strongly with the huge volumes. Okay. So in this kind of scenario, we require strong patience even in the Nifty also. So for the further trend formation, we require another like 2 to 3 trading sessions where we are getting the clarity for the upcoming moves. See, whenever we see this kind of consolidation market, and in case if base files, the weakness will be more. In case base support gives a strong support, we can see a huge wicks towards like 24,400, and it may chances to go for new high formation also in Nifty. Okay, so this is a reason. Okay, I'm observing this pivotal movement and psychological moments even in the volume scenario also in last 4 to 5 trading sessions. There is a chance of little lagging down in the volumes also at the same time. So there is some big fishy moves in the market for the upcoming days. But we require under like 3 days, at least like 3 days for the clarity. Clarity development will happen. Suppose in case breakdown happens and further fall, weakness will develop in the market. So we can see the further fall towards like even 23,500 also. In case for the further movement in the market, this is a breakout range. This is a breakout range for the further movement in the market. So this is a breakdown. Breakdown will give the more weakness. Breakout will give the some strength, and it will add more strength towards the upper levels. Okay, this is the real psychological movements of the charts. But we have seen in the recent moves, even on the election day scenario also in the last month, what a kind of high volatility move like 1,000 points and 1,500 points we have seen. Such kind of fishy moves may happen for even for the upcoming US elections also. So get ready with the proper chart patterns and the price actions. Okay, next big event for the coming year in this year is all about the US general elections, which is going to happen in the upcoming November. So we need to identify what kind of pattern is going to develop for the upcoming month. That gives us the clarity even for the US elections also. So any uncertainty which we can see here, even in the global markets, will impact our Indian markets. So most of the stocks which I'm observing, almost like 50 to 60 major stocks which I'm seeing in the blue chip sector, that has affected almost like 20 to 30% depreciation which you have seen in the major stocks. So now we need to find out for the further action in the market. So see you everyone in the upcoming video. Tomorrow we are going to start our live trading sessions.